Alright guys, this is question 2 of the 2018 AMC 10 test A. Alright, and here's the question right here, alright? So it says Leanne has 50% more soda than Jacqueline, and Alice has 25% more soda than Jacqueline as well. What is the relationship between the amounts of soda that Leanne and Alicia have? Alright, so it's asking us the relationship between these two, but it's giving us values for Jacqueline and the latter. Okay. Now let's try to do this. Okay. So it's telling us Leanne has 50% more soda than Jacqueline. So that means she has the amount that Jacqueline has plus 50%, and we know 0.5 is 50%. And we have Jacqueline's amount right here, right? And it's telling us Alice has 25% more soda than Jacqueline, alright? So that means they also have Jacqueline's amount, which is 1, plus 0.25, which is 25% of Jacqueline's, times J, alright? Now now it's asking us the relationship between the amounts of Leanne and Alicia, okay? Well, we can put everything in terms of J here, so we have J equals L over 1.5. And we also have here J is equal to, well, we can divide 1.25 on both sides. So we also have J is equal to A over 1.25. And so here we have two values for J. So these two can correspond with each other. So we can just use our substitution property and have L over 1.5 is equal to A over 1.5. Because all we're saying here is J is equal to J, and these are the values of J, alright? Now we can cross multiply and find our value, right? So we have 1.5 times L is equal to, oh, I'm sorry, this is supposed to be 1.25 right here, alright? My mistake. 1.25. So we have L times, or 1.25 L is equal to 1.5 times A, alright? Now let's take a look at our questions right here. So it's asking, so in all of our questions it says Leanne has this more than Alice. Leanne has 25% more. Leanne has X amount more than Alice, alright? So it's asking us to solve for L, right? Because it's asking us for how much more does Leanne have. So we have L is equal to 1.5 over 1.25 A, alright? So L is equal to 1.5 over 1.25 A, alright? So it's saying Leanne has 1.5 over 1.25 more soda than Alice, alright? That's what this equation is telling us, alright? And we can just do 1.5 over 1.25, alright? If we do that in our head, we get A is the answer, alright? There you go. Pretty simple problem, alright? Lots of computation. Just make sure you translate the problem into an equation, alright? Every problem has an equation, you just have to find it.